types of connector. The connectors can be divided into two subgroups. The first one is audio connector and the second one is RF connector. Again, there are three types of audio connectors like XLR connectors, RCA connectors and TRS connector. XLR connector is also known as common conductor, designed in 3 to 7 pin, but generally for mono and stereo signals 3-pin XLR connectors are seen to be used more. This 3-pin cable connector has two parts, one male and one female, even in case of professional microphones. For common use of audio and video system like home stereo, DVD, etc. and for commercial audio equipment, RCA connectors are used. One side of the connector is male and other side is female. On the other hand, the yellow connector is used for video signals, red for audio signal in right channel, and white or black connector is used for audio signal in left channels. The third category is TRS connector, that is tip ring sleeve connectors. It is also called phone plug, headphone jack or sometimes audio jack. The connector is also available in mono and stereo format. On the other hand, we get various types of RF connector like N-type, EIA type, BNC type, SMC type and TNC type. For low power FM transmitter and antenna, especially in community radio broadcasting system, N type of connector is frequently used. Thank you.